Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move a game installed through the Epic Games launcher to another location on your computer without having to re-download everything. This method saves you time, bandwidth, and storage space. First, make a backup copy of the game you want to move. Open File Explorer and go to your Epic Games installation directory, which by default is located at C:/Program Files / Epic Games / game name. Copy the entire game folder and paste it somewhere safe on your computer, like another drive or a temporary folder. Next, open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game you want to move, click on the three dots next to its name, and then click Uninstall. This step removes the current installation from your original directory, but keeps your game data safe in the backup you made earlier. After that, go back to your library, click on the game again to reinstall it, and when prompted, choose the new installation location where you want the game to be stored. Let the download start, and once it reaches around 2 to 3%, click the three dots again next to the game and select Cancel Install. Now open File Explorer and navigate to the new installation directory you just selected. Copy the backed up game folder from your earlier step and paste it into this new location. If Windows shows a message asking if you want to replace duplicate files, click Replace to confirm. Once the copy is complete, return to the Epic Games launcher and click Resume on the game installation. The launcher will begin verifying the existing files instead of re-downloading everything. This verification process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game. After verification is complete, your game will be ready to launch from the new location just like before. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Epic Games installation to another drive or folder without losing progress or wasting time on a full re-download. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more guides on Epic Games, PC gaming, and troubleshooting tips.